Let's look into this question of matrices of J 2020. It says that A is a matrix with 2 cross 2 of dimension 2 cross 2 and such that trace of A is 3. So I start working on matrix A as A, B, C, D. Instead of D, I take it as 3 minus A as trace is already given to be 3. Now since the determinant of A is involved in the question, so initially I take the value of determinant of A as delta, which is A into 3 minus A minus BC. Now we have to use the value of trace of A cube. To get A cube, first I start with A square. A square is AB C and 3 minus A multiplied by A, B, C and 3 minus A. A row to column multiplication first gives me the term A square plus BC. Second, this gives me AB plus B times 3 minus A, so that is 3B. Then this term here would be AC plus 3 minus A times C, so that is 3C. And lastly, this is BC plus 3 minus A the whole square, that is 9 minus 6A plus A square. To get A cube, because trace of A cube is involved, I again multiply A in A square. A is A, B, C, 3 minus A, and A square is A square plus BC. Now if you look at delta, let us try to get maximum terms in the terms of delta, because that is what you have to evaluate. So you realize that 3A minus A square minus BC is your delta. So A square plus BC can be written as 3A minus delta. This is 3B. This is 3C. When you come to talk about this, so if you see among these three terms, I can take A square plus BC as 3A minus delta. So if I take 3A minus delta, so this becomes 9 minus 3A minus delta. And I don't need to do the entire A cube because we are only concerned about trace of A cube. Trace of A cube would come as the first column AB multiplied by this. So this is basically 3A square minus A delta plus 3BC. And the second row multiplied by the second column. So that is again a plus 3BC multiplied by 3 minus A when multiplied to 9 minus 3A minus delta. And this is given to be minus 18. Let us see if this is sufficient to get us the value of delta. This implies that 3A square minus A delta plus 6BC, this becomes 27 minus 9A minus 9A again, and then plus 3A square plus A delta, which is given to be minus 18. If you look at it carefully, you will realize that A delta gets cancelled with A delta, and you are left with something which is 3A square plus 3A square, that is basically 6A square, then plus 6BC, and then minus 9A, that is minus 18A, plus 27. So we have taken care of all. Have we missed out anything? Yes, one particular term, minus 3 delta. So minus 3 delta is equal to minus 18. So by this, if you see, if you take 6 as common, so A square plus BC minus 3A, which is your delta. So this is your basically 6 delta. This, when you multiply minus delta with 3, it comes out as minus 3 delta. So you get here as 9 delta is equal to 45, because this basically is exactly opposite, minus 9 delta. So delta is nothing but 5.